Alright, here we go. This is an unboxing of the off-white outer office sneaker. Okay. Comes with these. This is cool. You can use the QR code, scan it, something pops up. Comes with the dust bag, which is nice. Alright. Nice sneaker. Real soft leather. Got the off-white logo on the back. Right there on the heel. Off-white on the bottom. Off-white. As you can see, I wore these already. I absolutely love these sneakers, to be honest with you. I love them. They're very nice. Once again, the logo on the other one. This comes with a leather hang tag. Zip tie, excuse me. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Off-white, Virgil Abloh on the tongue. Oh, excuse me, too. Rest in peace to Virgil. This is a beautiful shoe. And I'm going to show you guys what they look like side by side. It's a nice box, too. Nice shoe. It's a very nice shoe all in all. I definitely would recommend this shoe. It's a fair price, $5.70. That's not bad for a luxury shoe. And it says made in China right here, but it says designed in Milan, Italy. Whatever. But this is the end of the video. I would love it if you guys subscribe, like, and share. I'm trying to build this channel up as soon as possible. And real soon I will have a better camera views. I will have a camera guy too. But for right now, I'm going to use my phone and give you guys this content. Thank you. Come again.